Alright, today we're doing a bumper, changing the bumper on the 03 Alright, so today we're changing the bumper on the 03 Tiburon. I'm gonna just show you what you need to do to get the bumper off the 03. Alright, so over here there's two screws that you need to take out, which is those screws there. Took those out, and you do the same thing on the other side. Right? Then you have to take the headlights out. Two headlights. Take them out. It's three screws holding up the three bolts holding up the headlight. You just take those off with a 10mm on here and two up top. Remove all the clips along here. All the clips along here. Those are the clips right here. Same thing here. Here's another clip here underneath the headlight. That's why you gotta remove the headlight. There's another clip here under the headlight. That's why you gotta remove the headlight. And you do the same thing on the other side. Then you gotta use a 10mm and take this bolt out on both sides, and the bumper should come off. And that's how you get the bumper off on a 2003 Hyundai Tiburon.